Hi everybody, I'm Dahlia with Dalia's Dishes and Destinations.
And I am Enrique.
Today we're going to make a copycat recipe. Do you like copycat recipes? I do. I love to copycat soups from those favorite Italian restaurants, or pizzas, or breads, or desserts. We like copycatting, but I like to kick it up a notch.
And I like to make it exactly like the copycat recipe says, just like Hooters.
I want to add flavor.
We have 5 pounds of wings each. I'm going to make it the Hooters traditional way.
No flavor, and I will add flavor.
And then from there, we're going to taste and see which one is better.
All right, for mine, because I want to add flavor, I'm going to add all of my seasonings, mix it up, and then as soon as I'm finished mixing all these flavors together, I'll put it in the refrigerator along with his, and then in 30 minutes before we're going to fry, we'll add their so-called seasoning packs. And
then we're going to put it back in the refrigerator for 30 minutes after we put the seasoning bags in it. That's all I'm putting in it, remember. And we're going to put it for 30 minutes, then we're going to bring them out and we're going to go ahead and deep fry them.
All right, let's see how this goes, guys.
Remember, hit like, subscribe, and share.
And remember always, if you feed them, they will come. I'm just going to sprinkle a lot of each one of my ingredients. That was onion powder. This is going to be garlic powder. And then as soon as I've done all of my seasonings, add them. This is a pollo asado, but you can just any chicken. To me, any flavor chicken seasoning that you like, you can add. You can also add even paprika, smoked paprika, whatever you want. Now, my hands are washed. Mix this in. And now, I'm going to add some more, because I like flavor. And we will finish seasoning this. I will mix it. And then I'll put my cover on. And wait till later when it's time to add our batter and fry it. But I still have a few tricks on that batter, or on that powder, the breading, whatever it's called. Because I'm going to season my breading mixture. I'm not going to just stop here with my flavor. Oh, no, no, no. We're going to add some more seasoning. All right. I've left my wing seasoning for 30 minutes.
I got mine ready to go.
We've got our breading mix that I've seasoned mine, and he has.
I have the Hooters breading right here with no seasoning, just the breading itself.
So we're both going to add our breading mixture, mix it, stir it around, cover it, and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Oh, this is looking good already.
Let's see what happens. It'll probably taste the same with all this seasoning, all this bread, and it'll probably come out tasting the same. We'll see.
Make sure they get a nice coat on. So we coat them all. So when they're done, they look just like this. Look at that. Nice and coated.
That's it.
This is supposed to be the Hooters way, so we're going to find out.
Let's see. It's kind of messy. I don't mind. Pretend I'm in the garden. Oh yeah, I got lots of breading on it.
Well, if they taste like Hooters, I'm going to be in heaven.
And guess what? If it tastes like Hooters wings, I'll be making it more often.
You got that right.
I don't like like eating out, and he always wants to go to Hooters to eat wings, because they are the best wings. I don't like anybody else's wings, but I hate going to restaurants. So, all right, my wings are all covered in batter,
So
ready.
mine, as you can see, they're very, very nice and coated. Yours coated nice?
Yep, all coated.
We're gonna put these in the refrigerator for how long?
30 minutes.
20 minutes.
And then we're going to heat our oil, and we're going to deep fry them, and we're going to see how they turn out.
She's gonna deep fry hers just like they are. Me, I am going to put the Hooter sauce in there.
But I've got all my flavor, my seasonings.
I don't know if it helps any or not, but that's what it says.
Maybe it'll help the coating stick.
Could be. Then after the 30 minutes, you're gonna fry yours just like they are.
Just like they are. Remember, this is a copycat recipe. We're going to do more copycat recipes. And I'm going to kick it up a notch. And he's going to leave it the same.
Hooter sauce.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Here we are. We're just taking out the wings out, 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Get ready to fry them in 350 degrees oil. And first I'm doing my wings. So we're going to do a few wings at a time. And if you do too many of them, the oil will drop down in temperature and it won't cook as well. So we'll do about that many of them. Okay, we got these at 185 degrees. So I'm pulling them out. Putting them here to drip for a couple seconds.
Or more like drain.
And I'm going to put some more in there. Before I put them in this bowl. I know I seem kind of lost, but again, you know, I'm usually the camera guy, I'm not the cook, so I'm learning. So, put a couple more than I did the last time in there. And I'm gonna put them in this here. Not in my hand.
Thank you very much, sir.
Put them in here. They don't look quite like Hooters wings, but we'll see how they taste, right?
That's all right. That's all you gotta do.
Okay, I put some of the Hooters sauce in here. I'm gonna shake these up and see how they come out. Shake it, baby. Like they say, shake it but don't break it, right? There they are. They got all kind of sauce on them, I think. So, shake it a little bit more.
They're yours. Taste it.
And I'm gonna taste one of them, see how it came out. Probably really hot right now, but I'll taste it anyway. Okay, here we go.
There we go.
They look a little bit more like Hooters now.
Yeah. They got that glossy look.
Wow.
That.
No, they actually do taste like Hooters wings. Good.
Mm-hmm. Really?
Yeah, they're spicy. Because it's just number 2, remember?
Right. So do they actually taste really, truly like a Hooters wing?
Give me a little bit of, I put it in the refrigerator, a little bit of that blue cheese, and I dip it, I tell you if it tastes like Hooters or not.
All right.
We're gonna taste these the way I eat them at Hooters. That's how I eat them at Hooters.
You got the right color shirt on for Hooters. 4th of July, you're supposed to be wearing red, white, and blue. How's it taste?
Pretty close to Hooters. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Yeah, good for me. I don't have to go to Hooters anymore. Woohoo!
Okay, now I'm frying Dahlia spatch. This one again, no Hooter sauce on them. Just put it about 7 or 8 at a time. Try to keep the heat at 350. The internal temperature around 180 or 185. And when this is done, we're going to taste this one and see how this comes out without any Hooter sauce on it.
So we are done making our chicken wings, our Copycat Hooters chicken wings, everybody, and they are a hit. They're very good. They taste, I think, almost like Hooters. We made some fried chicken for my mom, and we got all the fixings for our 4th of July celebration. It's just us free here. Everybody else had plans, and I needed a day of just a little bit of rest. Even though we cooked, I still needed just a slow day. So I don't know how you celebrated your 4th of July, but I hope it was as calm and restful as ours has been. And are you ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat, and I'm ready to say something too.
Okay, you can talk.
We have here on the 4th of July, as you can see everything. We even have a 4th of July cake.
And my lemonade.
Lemonade. We got 4th of July cookies. We got, what is this? Oh,
Potato salad, coleslaw.
Traditional Hooters wings. Dalia's Hooters wings.
His blue cheese.
Regular fried chicken. We got the watermelon like always, and it's going to be delicious, and we'll get ready to eat. So remember,
as always, it's all about the food.
Show you all the people that are here. And there's the ocean.
The water's beautiful today, though. Probably a little too warm. Let me go feel. Check it out.
This is Indian Rocks Beach, people. You see how the sand is here? We got beautiful, soft, white sand. The beach is beautiful. People are all out here. We used to hang out here. Oh, we stay out here for hours at night just watching fireworks. You won't see that this year. Looks like we got low tide. Normally the water comes right to about here, so the tide is very low today. But it's beautiful. I'll tell you one thing, if you've never seen the ocean, ever, you need to come out and stand by the ocean one day, and you'll realize just how small you are when you stand by the ocean and see how beautiful the ocean is, what God's created. You have to see this at least once in your lifetime. I used to say that if you've never seen the mountains, you have to go see them at least once. And I did, and I lived there in the mountains. Now, if you've never seen the ocean, you have to come see the ocean at least once in your lifetime. Correct, Dalia?
Always. Wherever it's at, I'm there.
The ocean, we used to say you got to see the mountains, and we went to the mountains and lived in the mountain, and it was beautiful. Everyone should see the mountains, and everyone should see the ocean at least once in their lifetime. If you've never seen the ocean, you're missing out on one of God's greatest creations.
I just like to see the ocean wherever I'm at. You know, wherever I can see the ocean, I want to go see it. Touch it, feel it. See what it is.
How's the water? Oh, nice and warm, ain't it?
Yeah, a little too warm. But one little rain will come through is gone.
And this is beautiful. Indian Rocks Beach right here. It don't get any better than this. Check out the beach. If you go to Clearwater Beach, there's standing room only. You can still come to Indian Rocks Beach. It's still more for family. Very nice. All right, we're gonna do a little walk down the beach. It's me and Dalia.
Nice to see you.
And it is feels really nice out here. Temperature's probably in the 80s right now.
It was hot earlier though.
Because of the wind blowing, that ocean breeze coming in, it's just awesome.
It was real hot earlier, but now it's cooling down. Back in the day, we'd stay here till nightfall and we'd watch the fireworks. We'd be able to watch the fireworks over the ocean. It was beautiful.
And let me tell you something, the fireworks will be running to what, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. And it was just beautiful, but times have changed. Nobody wants to clean up the mess that people leave behind. And that's probably the main thing that I've been hearing. I know they talk about the sea turtles also, but
it's probably people's best.
There's a problem with people not cleaning after themselves.
But right here, I mean, if you look, this beach has been packed all day today. And Everybody's been here. I mean, this beach was crowded all day today. So they've done a good job cleaning it up. I know some people are gonna leave their mess. So as where we're at right now, they did a good job. They cleaned up their mess. That's good.
Everything looks very clean right now.
Yeah, it does.
But you know, they were complaining about cigarette butts and beer cans and stuff, but I don't see anything. Everything looks great.
I don't see anything.
Everything looks really nice.
Yeah, I don't see anything today.
But there's a lot of people still in the water, even though it is, what, 6:30 now, something like that?
6:45.
6:45, there's still a lot of people in the water, as you can see.
Oh no, it's 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock right now.
One of the better beaches in Florida to come to.
But we're not tourists. And we don't stay out in the water this late.
You're right, we don't go this late in the water. Even though Indian Rocks Beach has been a safe beach since we've been here, we've never had any problems with sharks or anything like that.
That's true.
But I have caught a couple of bull sharks myself, just past those buoys that you see people swimming over there. So at this time of night, I wouldn't be out here swimming that far back.
Because what do we call them?
We call them shark bait.